Hello friends, let's talk about Mazda 3. Mazda 3's front is Charon and LED headlights transform the driving experience into an art feast by crossing the boundaries of a car. Bar makluk details and impressive parlak kara color option, this car is far beyond being a vehicle, is actually a design wonder, a visual feast. Barmaklik touches add a modern association to the front is Kara of Mazda 3. These details, which are sealed with aesthetics, reveal not only the exterior design of a vehicle, but the symbol of a lifestyle. Each line carries the traces of not only one car, but a work of art. Parlak Kara color option makes Mazda 3 a masterpiece beyond being just a car. This color emphasizes the striking details and high technology of the car, leaving an unforgettable first impression to the driver and seeing. The eye-catching brightness highlights the car like a night star. LED headlights declare the leadership of Mazda 3 in night driving. Each beam of light not only illuminates the path, but also shines like a work of art. Adaptive LED headlights not only illuminate the bends, but also act like a perfect partner to meet with a dance. Thanks to these headlights, the driver feels each bend like a scene during the night. Mazda 3's front Izkarak and LED headlights promise a unique driving excitement to drivers by offering a performance feast, not just a car, but a performance feast. These special details offer a journey that will make every driving unforgettable, leaving aside the mediocrity. Mazda 3 offers the driver not only a tool, but a work of art and a call for action. Mazda 3's rear design and stop lamps offer a glamorous feast of an eye, resembling a work of art, not just a car. Arksa LED signing signature, Arksa Mixfilik Shushosi, and Arksa Komi Kominasia lamp. LEDs such as LED makes this car a tool full of unique and impressive elements that distinguishes it from others. Arksa LED signing signature is the light of Mazda 3 to illuminate the back of the back, not only at night but also during the day. While each beam of light shares the existence of the car in an impressive way. This modern LED signature sign makes Mazda 3 an artistic masterpiece of the automotive world. The Arksa Combine lamp LED adds a contemporary touch to the back of Mazda 3. The brightness and energy efficiency of LED technology, not only a lamp, but a perfect balance between the beauty and function of the car, glowing like a jewel. Rear Mex Physic Blasts. Yes, it is a glass, a feature of becoming a basis of a design at the time. In this glass, the car's arch section, choking and gizem katarken, removes a fascinating feature in the delight of the wall. Mazda 3's stop lamps and the back design offer drivers to drivers by combining not only the limits of a car, but aesthetics and technology. These details make the car more than just a transport vehicle, almost beyond a car. It creates a feeling of traveling in a work of art. Mazda 3 arouses admiration not only on the roads, but also in art galleries. Mazda 3's interior design is not only a car interior, but a summit of a living space. The highest quality materials used in the interior design of this vehicle, first-class artisans and clever details, offer a unique combination of comfort and elegance to drivers and passengers. This automobile goes far beyond being a transport vehicle and appears as a work of interior art. Human-centered design philosophy makes it possible for every detail not only for aesthetics, but also for user comfort. The Jinba Itai principle strengthens the bond between the driver and the vehicle and transforms the driving experience into a unity. With a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android automatic connection, an innovative 10.25-inch information display provides the technology limit forcibly and internal to the driver. Mazda Connect provides an excellent sense of control with the information brake system, eye-catching commander, and 8.8 dim center screen. Standard features include remotely active lighting, remotely open lighting, rear image camera, 2 front USB-C input, Bluetooth 6-speaker sound system, electronic parking brakes, and luxury black leather seats. This internal flexibility is enriched with details such as rear seats, cup owners, and rotating signals such as door handles. Each detail, driver and passenger, not only have a single usage area of a car, but also shows more than a car that shows that it is a luxury and entertainment area. Mazda 3 is not just a tool, a lifestyle, and the main character of your drive. Mazda 3's engine performance combines high-level technology and a powerful engine combination to turn an ordinary driving into a unique experience. Standard Mazda 3 2.5S models are equipped with an Atmosphere Skyactiv G 2.5-liter engine, which stands out with its strong performance, high durability, and agile driving. This engine, which produces 191 horsepower and impressive 186 lb-ft torque, represents the heart of a performance monster, not just a car. 6-fast automatic transmission manages the power perfectly and offers instant reactions to the driver and a fluid driving experience. This is a power source that gives the driver of Mazda 3 the opportunity to browse like an asphalt poet on the roads. The front-wheel drive system allows the vehicle to attach perfectly to the road, while cylinder deactivation technology increases fuel efficiency and provides both performance and economic driving experience. This feature contributes to fuel saving by disabling all cylinders in moments that require power, while disabled unnecessary cylinders at low speeds and light loads. The G-vectoring control plus perfects driving dynamics and provides more balance and control in bends. This feature increases the driver's steering dominance and makes it more impressive to each period. Each bend becomes a driving art, strengthens the bond between the driver and the vehicle, and transforms Mazda 3 into a performance icon beyond being just a means of transport. This indicates that Mazda 3 is not only a car, but a feast of power and control. These enormous features, which are hidden in each detail, prove that Mazda 3's driving is more than just a journey, and it is a highly prominent car like a work of art. Mazda 3, making every moment a performance, each journey into an adventure offers the driver not only a transport tool, but a lifestyle and passion. Step into the world of Mazda 3 and open the doors of an unusual driving experience. If you are gentle, don't forget to be a brother and say your thoughts in the comments.